Alright, so welcome back. Video शुरू करने से पहले look at this.
Phones out.
A contender here, not just for the podium, but possibly for the title.
Very likely to happen from what we have just seen.
Dez in the deadlifts with 302.5. What a way to end his day.
74
Collecting
kilo
a gold
class.
medal.
And he's done it.
Alright, so what you all see from all those clips, my deadlift was really great. I was known for being a very good deadlifter. पर कुछ साल से, I think for the past 2 years, especially the last competition, this is what happened. So there was one big mistake जो मेरा पूरा deadlift बिगड़ रहा था. Was more like a domino effect. That one mistake caused me to do so many other things. I will explain to you so that you guys will avoid doing that mistake. But before that, I'm going to do my week 3 deadlift session. Very interesting. I have 4 sets of 270 kilos for 3 reps, which itself is big because that's a lot of volume. Uske baad, at the end, after all that fatigue, I have 295 for a single. 295 is the heaviest load I've loaded since Asians. तो देखते हैं कैसा जाता है.
Clima perfeito, noite enluarada. Farafiados, caçador vai à caça. Na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Bailão, não, não, bailão, bailão, não, não, bailão, bailão, não, não, bailão, bailão, não, bailão, bailão, não, não, bailão, bailão, não, não, bailão, bailão, não, não, bailão, bailão, não. Vai à caça, na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Caça, na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Caça, na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Bailão, não, não, bailão, 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 bailão, não. Bailão, bailão, não.
Exposed. No, it's not. My contest is not for kids. Kids should not deadlift. We also have Manu. You know why his balls look small.
Bailão, bailão, caçador vai à caça. Na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Na captura delas, de bailão em bailão. Bailão, não, não, bailão, 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 bailão, não. Clima perfeito, noite enluarada. Farafiados, caçador vai à caça. Na captura
All right, so like I said, my coach is giving me all the prescribed load. So coach, please increase the load next week. Weights are feeling super easy, but when you do so many heavy sets and then there's a fatigue single, this thing burns, but have to be a man. I'm not using straps. But anyways, जो मैं बोल रहा था, my biggest mistake that I think, तकरीबन 1.5-2 years के लिए मैंने ये बकवास किया. This is why my deadlift kind of got stuck because I hit around 310 kilos in 2022. It's been 2.5 years and now it's gone up obviously, but for 2 years it was stuck there. And the most important mistake was I was pulling, मैं बार को बहुत pull कर रहा था. I was pulling too much slack. We all know we have to pull slack and take tension of the bar, but I was just doing too much pulling. When you do too much pulling, क्या होता है? When you pull too much, so suppose I'm here and I'm just pulling the weight too much, you won't be able to wedge into the sweet spot. And when you can't wedge into the sweet spot, you cannot use your legs enough. So basically क्या हो रहा था? I was just going into a sumo position and then I was here and I was trying to, मैं wedge करने की try कर रहा था, but I was just trying. I'm just pulling too much slack and then ज़मीन से बहुत जल्दी आता था, because when you're pulling the weight, it comes very easily off the floor. पर क्या होता था at this point, क्योंकि my pelvis is trying to go into a strong position, वो tuck होता था और I would come here and I would get stuck, right? मैं lockout नहीं कर पाता था, इसलिए I can tell you from 2024 nationals, 2025 nationals, everything that I've done 2024 and 2025, I have missed my attempts on lockout. But deadlift ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should not come fast off the floor or sumo deadlift. It should be slow off the floor, fast at lockout. Basically, you wedge, you build all the tension, and then the bar and the weights move. When you pull too much, that doesn't happen. Plus, you cannot build the tension because you're not using your legs. So, इसका correction क्या होता है? Take your stance. Do not pull too much slack, right? Just pull enough slack to take the tension of the bar and build tension into your upper back, but do not continue pulling. So you pull slack और उसके बाद wedge करो. Once you wedge, make sure if you pull too much slack, आप सिर्फ इधर तक wedge कर सकते हो. You can't fully wedge in, alright? It kind of restricts you. You wedge fully into the bar, let the tension build to 100%. That is the pull and in your legs. उसके बाद let your hips and the bar move together. So this was the biggest change. If you guys understood, comment down below. If you guys didn't understand, you want a better video explaining this topic, because I feel this is one of the most important, even elite athletes will do this, most important cue. If you don't understand, just comment down below. मैं फिर से एक बेहतर वीडियो बनाऊंगा क्योंकि I'm tired now. My brain is not working too well. I have to squat and bench in 1 hour. We'll see what I have to do. I'll give you a bench update if I bench. Bye. So last thing before ending this video, I just want to show you. I've already shown you this before. This is what I use to recover from all these heavy sessions. The gold way, I'll put a link in the description. I use this currently because this is literally सिर्फ 7 natural ingredients से बना है. There's no artificial sweetener or anything in it. Before, I used to use, you can see in here, I used to use this gold way. It's damn tasty, but now Big Muscle has come up with this new way, which is literally 7 natural ingredients, 27 gram of ISO whey per scoop. This is what I'm going to use to recover. And if you guys